In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Higgsfield to draw to video. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their website, you want to hover over video up top, and then here at the bottom left, you'll see draw to video. So click on that, and then in here, you're going to have a bunch of different options here. I have one in already, but I'm going to delete this because this is what you're going to see. So this is draw to video. Here, you can basically turn a sketch into a cinema in a second. No prompt needed, that's what they say. So what you can see here is basically click on either create blank, and you can of course draw yourself and create whatever you want to create in here to basically turn that into a video. Or what you could also do is just upload some media. So for example, if you have like a picture, or if you've done that in a different program, you can upload that media. Click on it, click on open, and there we go. It's going to basically upload that specific image, and you can then generate the video over here. Now, it's going to say add a short note in the drawing describing what should happen in the video, and that also will help. And whenever you actually want to get this done, you can just go ahead and click on generate video here. It's going to take your credits, and it's going to basically generate the video. Now, you also have the draw to edit, and they also have the sketch to video. So of course, all of these are possible if you want to do them, and that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.